right, so most people think that trust is something you earn after you've proven yourself. And it's not. Trust usually happens before proof. And if you don't understand that, your content will always feel invisible. In this video, I'm gonna show you why, using a few scenes from one of my favorite movies, Catch Me If You Can. So this movie's based on a true story, and pretty much a teenager convinces the world that he's a pilot, he's a doctor, he's a lawyer, and not because he's the smartest person in the room, but because he understands how trust actually works. So check out this first clip. This first scene happens very early on in the movie. Frank Abagnale, that's the character's name, is pretending to be a Pan Am pilot. He's never flown a plane, he doesn't know aviation, but he's wearing a uniform and walking confidently across the airport with a bunch of flight attendants. So watch what does not happen.
Hello.
Hi. Are you deadheading?
What?
Are you my deadhead to Miami?
What? Yes, yes. Yeah, I'm your deadhead. Here you go.
You're a little late, but the jump seat is open.
You know, it's been a while since I've done this. Which one's the jump seat again?
Have a nice flight.
Are you my deadhead? Frank, Captain Oliver, John Larkin, the co-pilot, Fred Tully, flight engineer.
Frank Taylor, Pan Am. Thanks for giving me a lift, boys.
Go ahead and take a seat, Frank. We're about to push. What kind of equipment you on? DC-8?
707.
You turning around on the red eye?
I'm jumping puddles for the next few months, trying to earn my keep running leapfrogs for the weak and weary.
No shame in that. We all did it.
All right, so you see, no one asked for ID, no one checked his credentials, no one verified anything. And the reason why is because trust is already transferred. Uniform, posture, context. So let me break it down. People don't trust proof first. They trust the signals first. This is branding. And this is why most people and business owners struggle online. So let me break down the second scene. In this one, Frank is posing now as a doctor. He's working in a hospital. He has no idea what he's doing, but pay attention to his behavior. He never panics, he listens, he asks simple questions, and stays as calm as possible.
What seems to be the problem? Bicycle accident. Fractured tibia about 5 inches below patella. Dr. Harris.
Yes?
Do you concur?
Concur with what, sir?
With what Dr. Ashland just said. Do you concur?
Well, it was a bicycle accident. The boy told us.
So you concur?
Concur?
I think we should take an x-ray, then stitch him out and put him in a walking cast. Very good, Dr. Ashland, very good. Well, you don't seem to have much need for me. Carry on.
Blew it, didn't I? Why didn't I concur?
So this, obviously it's super uncomfortable, right? But it's important. He didn't earn trust by knowing more. He earned trust by not looking uncertain. And let me show you how this translates into branding. When you over-explain, you signal insecurity. When you hedge every sentence, you leak trust. People don't need you to be perfect. They need you to feel stable. So this last scene I'm gonna show you is the other side of trust. Frank is having a conversation with the FBI, and the FBI kind of figures out why they're even having that conversation to begin with. And watch how fast trust disappears.
Truth is, I knew it was you. Now, maybe I didn't get the cuffs on you, but I knew.
Oh, people only know what you tell them, Carl.
Well, then tell me this, Barry Allen, Secret Service. How did you know I wouldn't look in your wallet?
The same reason the Yankees always win. Nobody can keep their eyes off the pinstripes.
The Yankees win because they have Mickey Mantle. No one ever bets on the uniform.
You sure about that, Carl?
I'll tell you what I am sure of. You're gonna get caught. One way or another. It's a mathematical fact. It's like Vegas. The house always wins.
Well, Carl, I'm sorry, but I have to go.
You didn't call just to apologize, did you?
What do you mean?
You have no one else to call.
So this is key. Trust isn't fragile, it's conditional. It typically exists as long as the signals are consistent. The moment alignment breaks, it's gone. So here's a simple takeaway. Trust is built through consistency and not credentials. This is exactly why trust feels hard online. Not because people are skeptical, but most brands are inconsistent. They're bold one day, unsure the next, and sometimes they contradict themselves the week after. Trust dies in confusion. So here's a simple framework when building trust. Before you post anything, ask yourself, does this sound common certain, right? Or like I'm trying to convince someone. Does this align with what I've already said, right? Consistency beats novelty. Would someone feel safe following this voice? Trust is emotional before it's logical. If not, fix the signal, not the content. Here's what I'll leave you with. Most people don't have a trust problem. They have nervous energy in text form. So if you want to build trust, stop trying to impress. Say less and mean more. And if you want help building trust intentionally into your brand, that's one of the many things I focus on inside of our community. So there's no hype, there's no pressure, it's just structure and a system. So you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you want more breakdowns like this. Until the next time, cheers.